Hi, students. Let's look at this question, which is on normal distribution. So a random variable x is normally distributed with a mean of 135 and variance of sigma square. Okay, given that 127 between 127 and a is equals to ps bigger than a is actually this probability here, which is 38.65%. Show that sigma is 10.6. Okay, great. So I think the first thing to understand this kind of question is that try and draw it, because if you don't draw it, you won't be able to see. Okay, draw the normal distribution here. So this mean will be 135, right? This guy 135. Then the this in the middle here, this x is normally distributed 135 and sigma square. So what we have is 135 here. Then we know that essentially 127 to a is bigger than a is 30. So here, let's say there's an a here. Okay, anything more than a, we know is 0.3865. Okay, then after which we have 127, which is on the left of 135, 127. Similarly, this over here is also 0.3865. Okay, that's that. So now we need to show that sigma is 10.68, correct to two decimal places. Okay, great. So there you go. I think that's the whole idea. We could just inverse norm from the left or the right, doesn't matter. We could find this area here. This area here will be nothing more than just 1 minus of twice of 0.3865. Okay, so that's the main thing. So this will give us 0.27227. Okay, so there you go. So this case here, firstly, know that probability of x less than 127 is equals to 1 minus twice of 0.3865. Okay, once you draw it, you can see it very clearly. So this is 0.227. What we need to do next is actually just standardization. Okay, so this is pz less than 127 minus 135 over sigma is given by same area. Then we just inverse norm. 22.7% on the left tail, we'll get the boundary here. So from here, bring out GC, just go to second distribution, then you go to inverse norm. Obviously, the standard curve is 0, 1. Okay, this is already set up to be 0, 1 for us here. So we want it to be 0.227. Okay, left tail. Then this will be negative 0.74876. So this boundary condition here is our value there, 127 minus 135 over sigma is basically just negative 0.74876. Okay, then we just solve this linear equation here. So this case here, what I'll get is 10.684, 10.682 dB sigma. Okay, there you go. So from this case here, we could just inverse norm to find a. You just inverse norm to find a from the what do you call it, from the right tail. So just go to GC, just second distribute, then just inverse norm. Then you go to the area on the right is 0.3865. Okay, 0.3865. Then you just go to the mu, which is 135. So obviously the sigma we got, I just tried to use more than the 2 dp there, 10.684. Okay, then go to right, then just paste 138.08. There will be a is 138 SF. Okay, that's it. Done. First one. So let's look at the second one. X is related by the normal distribution random variable y by this formula here, where y1 and y2 are two independent observation. Find EY and variance y. So what you need to understand is we were given x is equals to y1 plus y2. So y1, y2 minus 4. So the expectation of x will just be expectation of y1 plus y2 minus 4. So in this case here, this will be ey1 plus ey2 minus e4, which is actually just 4. Okay, so this case here, what we do is I think finding ey shouldn't be an issue because this guy was just 2ey minus 4. Okay, so we know that ex is 135, the average, the mean. Then this is 2ey. Then you just make ey the subject. Shouldn't be an issue here. So ey is nothing more than 135 plus 4 divided by 2. So there will be ey will be 69.5. Okay, there you go. Then part variance y, same thing. If you want to find variance y, what we get is we just variance the entire thing. Variance x will just be variance of y1 plus y2 minus 4. Variance y1 plus variance y2. Variance -4 is just 0, a constant. Okay, so this case here is this. And what we need to do next is variance x is just sigma square. Okay, this is just 2 variance y. They share the same variance for the 2 distribution of independent observation. So this case here, what we get is sigma square, which is, I'm going to use phi SF there. So it's 10.684 square equals to 2 variance y. So variance y will just be 10.684 square divided by 2. So this case here will be 57.1. Okay, that's it. So that's how we do this question proficiently. If you have any questions at all, please do let us know. And I'll see you in the next question.